All right. I don't mind this. This isn't bad.
It's pretty spacious, actually.
It's very
Really high ceilings.
Yeah, I was just about to say.
The double curtains.
Oh. Okay, yeah, we can put the car right here. Well,
LC. What does that mean?
I'm not sure.
Oh, I'm sure this does that. I guess you do need that to be on for that to work.
Okay. Oh, we got a whole shelf up here. Well, I don't think this thing stays very well. No. You can put your.
Car is already right out.
Is it?
Yeah. Take a look to the left.
Oh shit.
We don't really have to move.
I mean, I can move it over here so it's closer. But what do we got? Mini fridge?
Yeah.
We have a mini fridge, microwave,
This is neat.
drawer.
Not only do they have a desk area, but it's actually,
Does it pull into a table?
yeah.
Pulls into a full table.
Well, not a full table, but you can actually pull it out so you don't have to be up against the wall if you don't want to.
That is nice. Outlets, we got the USB jacks.
Really nice. This is a nice little feature. You can actually sit to take your shoes off. Have a little bench, hang up your stuff.
That is nice.
I want one of those for home.
Alright, not bad.
A lot of storage.
How's the bathroom?
Pretty big.
Okay, walk-in shower.
Oh, wow.
That's sizable.
This is a closet. I thought this was like a maintenance room because of the way the doors look.
How big is it?
Pretty big. There's
Nice.
a lot of space in here.
Very nice.
Very nice indeed.
Alright.
Here we go.
Alright, not a bad pool room. Towels off on the left, handy accessible. No diving. I guess we'll have to see how it is later. Gym room on the left-hand side.
This one you do, in fact, need the key. And it works.
Not bad. See how many gym weights are missing.
Looks like maybe only 2-3 sets.
Decent assortment.
They have a decent assortment. You can hear that poor elephant.
You can.
It's crying out in pain.
Can't believe someone poured water on it.
Wonderful.
Awesome.
Thank you. No, that guy was really nice, very professional.
Honestly, I think he was it was some of the best customer service we've had walking into a hotel.
Yes.
Minus New York,
He
sorry.
seems to be genuinely prideful of his hotel and his business. I don't know if it's actually his, but where he works.
Which is